I hope I still get a copyright because I'm going to be reacting or watching funny cat videos. I don't know how funny they are. Is that a frog? Or a toad? Yeah, that's some kind of frog. It is meant to be funny cats, but, you know. Oh, this is a cat, definitely. That's not. My dog has done that before. He's trying to bring a stick in that's too big. The stick was bigger than him. Aww. How long is this video? Because it might not be able to go up. Okay, that can go up my channel. It's because I'm not verified, even though it says I am. I don't know if it's a YouTube glitch.
Come here. Hi, good boy. What are you doing?
Are you joking? They're going to be in the video. I forgot.
You're so funny. You like your new coat? Looks like you like it.
My dog will probably just do the same. It'll definitely bark. That was scary. What? Oh, he's made a mess and he's got his head stuck. That looks like the same dog from before. Trying to get the stick in. Bet the dog just knocked him over. Oh, maybe not. Oh, a video the same. Just not the same dog. Don't know what kind of dog that is. Forgot. It's waving. I might end it at like about 8 minutes, because when it's like about 10-minute video, it takes I just cracked my elbow. It takes about half an hour to get a 10-minute video up for a person that's not verified. That's cool. Wouldn't that be dangerous though? I know. Oh no, I thought there was going to be a car on top of the thing. Is he fishing in the house? Oh, it's got the fishing rod attached to the toy. I've got to keep checking how long. 8 minutes. 8 minutes. I can't speak today. I'm constantly uploading YouTube videos now. Oh, yesterday and today I've uploaded loads of YouTube videos. I hope this thing don't get copyright. It shouldn't do. Well, it probably would, but I hope it don't. Here's a challenge for you. Have you ever tried to move your pinky toe without moving your other ones? I can do it. Just not with my big toe. There's a way how to do it. If you hold all your other toes except from your pinky, you keep practicing to move it. If you can keep moving it, try it without it, like holding your hand on your other toes, and you can do it. It's weird. Oh wow. Just 20, no. there's 4 minutes. Just 3 minutes now.
What happened? What happened to your head? Look at Mom.
That would be my thumbnail, I guess.
Are you in there, Tia?
That's part of the costume, isn't it? Is that a deer? Is that a deer? I think that's a deer, guys. Can you? I want to see if I can move my pinky and my other foot. No, I can't. Oh, wait, yeah, I can. I can when I hold it. I know I can move it, but it's easier on my right foot. Oh, cheeky bears. Is that a bear? I don't know what it is. It looks like a bear. Another advert. Oh, I'm kind of glad it's only a 5-second video. I might end it here, guys, so yeah. Bye. Okay, see this last one then. Oh, slow motion video. Wow, his mouth's massive. Anyway, bye. Wait.